Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Get up here. Get up here. Hello and welcome back to Hoosierback Outdoors. My name is Ben and I'm thankful that you clicked on this video. Don't forget, if you are new here, we're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, reach down, hit that subscribe button. It would help us out a whole lot. Remember, share this video with your friends if you like it. Give us a big thumbs up. Also, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time we upload new content. Today I've come back down to the creek. I haven't creek fished in a while. We've had a lot of rain here recently. The water is up. It's murky, but I think we can get on some fish. Rock bass, smallmouth, anything. So I'm gonna take you with me. Stay tuned. First off, we were gonna use the tried and true Roadrunner underspin head with a white grub tail. Pretty cool because today I get to use my new bag from Cabela's. This is my creek fishing bag. Put it right over my shoulder. It should stay out of the way of the camera. Nice. And if you see me making any swatting motions today, it's because I can already tell the mosquitoes are out. Might be kind of rough. All right, let's. I'm gonna toss in right here for a minute. I already got a fish. Oh, he came off. Oh well. First cast. Had a fish. That's gonna be a long ways to bring him up here though. I might try it again. This may be a good sign though that they're biting. Kind of looked like a rock bass. Let's try right here for a second. Right down the other side of that current. I'll turn my camera down here where you can see a little better. There's a bunch of little fish around it. Water's murky, but I can still see it. Still see down in it pretty good. Any bites there? Oh, there's a big old turtle on that log, you see? Let's see if he jumps off there. Wave. Maybe it'll get his attention, maybe not. He's just gonna sit there. It's all good. See if I can get a bite. There's a fish jumping right there. I don't guess that turtle's gonna jump off there. He's still sitting there. Fish, whoa. That just about went down. Fish just jumped right there. Let's see if he'll bite at this. Maybe he moved downstream something. Maybe he's over this way. That is a big red-eared turtle And that probably one of the biggest ones I ever seen. Sliders, red ear, whatever they're called. There's 3 or 4 different species that are like that. He just went in. Just dropped in. All I've got on is these cheap Walmart shoes that I use for waders. They don't bother me to get them wet. But I'd really like to stay out of the water today. There's some carp there because I can see them flashing. Maybe I should have brought some night crawlers. And I just went down. Save the pole. I'm telling you what, there's something about the age that I am. I'm 43. Used to, I could fall like that and it wasn't no big deal. I'd pop right back up and be okay. But nowadays, if you're, 35, 40, let me know if this is the same for you too. But nowadays, you fall like that, think you're okay, make sure nothing's broke. Then the next day, you're really sore. That's the way it seems to be with me anyway. Maybe you're different, but falling and the consequences of falling are just not the same as they used to be. Try not to do that again. There's one. Finally, we got a fish. And it's a little smallmouth. Trying not to fall. Nice. That's okay, bud. There we go. First little smallmouth of the day. Hopefully we can get some more. Nice little bronze bass. What a pretty fish. What a pretty fish. That works for me. Toss him back. There you go, bud. Nice. There's bigger ones in here. Got some leaves in my reel. There we go. Move down a little bit. There's a log in the water right there I want to come by. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Heck yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, it's a good day, boys and girls. It's a good day. Nice. First cast right into there. Look at that. Look at that smallie. He's got a leech on him. Get that off there. Wow. What a nice smallmouth. We'll take that. We will take that. Wow. What a nice smallmouth. All right, I'm gonna get some pictures of him. That's a nice one. We caught a nice smallmouth. Fantastic. Let's let this fella go. Yeah. Oh man, that's fun. That is so much fun. I've been here maybe 15 minutes. Cast up there some, caught a really small one. Come down here first cast next to this log. I've never seen this log in the water. It's a new structure in the water. Threw it in there and caught that feller. I'll show you what I caught him on. Caught him on this white and yellow Roadrunner. It's like dynamite in here for these smallmouth. Okay, let's catch another one. I'm not even sure if this GoPro's working. Probably not, and that's gonna be frustrating. Well, I just caught a smallmouth and a spotted bass, and I don't think it got it. We'll try again. It's crazy. It's frustrating. Got him. Now, did we get this on film? Is the GoPro working? Goodness. Yep. Tiny, tiny smallmouth. We'll use him for bait. Oh, goodness. Let's put him back. Remember, we're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, reach down, do that now. I would really thank you for it. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.